Welcome to the best picks. The best Samsonite replacement wheels is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of luggage maintenance, but it's crucial for a seamless travel experience. Damaged or worn-out wheels can turn a simple journey into a frustrating ordeal. In this video, we'll explore the best replacement wheels for your Samsonite luggage, ensuring you can glide through airports and city streets with ease and confidence, making your travels smoother and more enjoyable. Number 5. OwnMy 50mm Luggage Replacement Wheels. Is your luggage wheel damaged? These replacement wheels are the perfect solution. They will get your suitcase rolling smoothly again. Before you buy, make sure to measure your old wheels. The diameter is 50mm, and the rim width is 18mm. Check the product images for detailed dimensions to ensure a perfect fit. Replacing the wheels is straightforward. You may need to cut or drill out the old axle. Then, simply attach the new wheels using the included axles, screws, and washers. The package includes 4 black rubber wheels, along with both 33mm and 36mm axles. It also comes with screws, washers, and wrenches, everything you need for the replacement. These wheels are made of durable rubber and metal. They are designed to be long-lasting, silent, and wear-resistant, providing smooth and convenient movement. Don't throw away your suitcase. These replacement wheels will give it a new life. Enjoy a smoother, quieter travel experience with these easy-to-install wheels. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need, including axles and wrenches. It's made of durable rubber and metal, ensuring a smooth and quiet ride. If you have a single-wheel luggage and want a hassle-free replacement with all the necessary parts, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The wheels were a perfect fit. The wheels are very quiet and smooth. The product was exactly as described. Number 4. BQLZR Black Luggage Wheels Replacement. Are your luggage wheels damaged? This replacement set is perfect for repairing your suitcase. It includes both left and right swivel wheels. Before you buy, make sure the hole spacing matches your existing wheels. The hole pitch is 1.3, 1.54, 1.77, and 1.18. Check the diagonal spacing too. The package comes with 2 swivel wheels, screws, and a dual-purpose screwdriver. This set has everything you need for a quick repair. It's easy to install. These wheels are designed for hard-shell suitcases only. They are not suitable for fabric cases. Make sure the shape and hole pitch match your old wheels. These wheels are made of durable plastic. They are quiet, wear-resistant, and have good load-bearing capacity. They will make your luggage easier to move. These wheels are ideal for repairing worn suitcase wheels. They are an essential accessory for luggage repair. They are easy to install and use. Please compare the hole arrangement and dimensions before purchasing. The wheel model is 115 Series W041-2. Refer to the size chart for other models. What we like. These wheels are made of high-quality plastic, offering quiet and flexible movement. They are designed for hard-shell cases and provide 360-degree rotation for easy maneuverability. If you're looking for a reliable replacement for your hard-shell suitcase, this is a great option. What people say. Wheel works well and was easy to install myself. It saved me from throwing the luggage away. This item fits as expected. It's a simple DIY project that saves money. After an exhaustive search, I'm so glad I found these replacement wheels for my Samsonite Fiero HS luggage set. These wheels fit perfectly and were easy to install. Helpful hint, keep all of the screws really loose until they're all in place, then fully tighten. What a great upgrade. Number 3. OwnMy 50mm Luggage Replacement Wheels, set of 2. Is your suitcase struggling? These replacement wheels are the perfect solution. They'll have your luggage rolling smoothly again. Before you buy, make sure to measure your old wheels. This set is designed to fit most single-wheel rolling luggage. Check the product images for detailed size information. Replacing the wheels is straightforward. You might need to cut or drill out the old axle, then simply attach the new wheels. The package includes everything you need. These wheels are made of high-quality rubber and metal. They are wear-resistant, long-lasting, and designed for a quiet, smooth ride. It will make your travel more enjoyable. Don't throw away your luggage. These replacement wheels are a cost-effective way to keep your suitcase rolling for years to come. This set will help you enjoy your travel time better. The package includes 2 black rubber wheels, axles of 2 different lengths, screws, washers, and wrenches. Everything is included to meet your replacement needs. What we like. This set includes 2 wheels, perfect for replacing a single damaged wheel or upgrading your luggage. Made from high-quality rubber and metal, it ensures a smooth and silent rolling experience. If you like to replace a single wheel or want to have a spare one, this is a good choice. What people say. These replacement wheels appear to be of much higher quality. They have metal bearings and the rubber appears to be much more durable. My suitcase has never rolled so good. Number 2. Zoofen W149 Replacement Luggage Wheel. Tired of broken suitcase wheels? This is the Zoofen W149 Replacement Wheel, designed to get your luggage rolling smoothly again. It's a simple fix to extend the life of your favorite suitcase. Made with PVC, PP, and a bearing, this wheel is built to last. The materials ensure wear resistance, so it can handle the bumps and turns of travel. This replacement is a reliable choice. Each package includes 2 wheels and screws, as shown in the photo. This provides everything you need for a quick and easy repair. It's a complete solution to get you back on the move. Before ordering, carefully check the wheel size and screw hole spacing. Different sizes fit different suitcases, so make sure it matches your needs. If the size and appearance are the same, it will be appropriate. This product requires some DIY skills for installation. If you're unsure which model you need, send us pictures of your wheel size and screw hole spacing. We're here to help you find the perfect fit. What we like. These wheels are designed to be wear resistant, ensuring longevity and reliability. They come with screws for easy installation. If you are looking for a simple and effective solution to repair your luggage, this is a great choice. What people say. I just took my first trip with the suitcase and the new wheel worked great even with a 25 kilograms load. The bolt hole dimensions shown on the pictures are not correct. They are an exact replacement for the wheels on my Atlantic suitcase. Item was exactly as described and shown in the picture. Installation was easy. Luggage rolled easily with replacement wheel. Number 1. Luggage Suitcase Wheel Replacement Accessory. Are your suitcase wheels worn out? This replacement accessory is the perfect solution. It will make your luggage as good as new. Made from high-quality plastic, this wheel is built to last. It's designed to withstand the rigors of travel, ensuring your luggage rolls smoothly. The wheel features a round 4-hole design for easy installation. While some adjustments might be needed, it's a straightforward process to get your suitcase rolling again. This wheel is lightweight, providing excellent performance. It's suitable for various types of luggage, including bags, trolley cases, and more. Before you buy, make sure the wheel matches your original luggage wheel's shape and size. This will ensure a perfect fit and hassle-free replacement. What we like. These wheels are made of high-quality plastic and are easy to install. They are suitable for various luggage types, making them a versatile choice. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-install replacement for your luggage, consider this option. What people say. The holes were a little off from the old wheel assembly but was easy to adjust. Wheels glide freely and appear well made. This was a perfect fit and match for my Timberland suitcase. Took 10 minutes to remove the old wheel and install the new one. Very happy to fix my carry-on rather than drag it around with a bad wheel or replace the bag just because one wheel fell apart. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.